Well, on the next episode that we're going to talk about, um, and this is horticulturally speaking. So, if some of the terms do seem kind of complicated, or some of the theories, fertilization, uh, does the water have to be pH? Um, are you growing efficiently and sufficiently? Um, being able to break down the nitrogen process within the plant and how it could benefit the plant in minimal doses, especially non-synthetic, because whatever you put into your plants that are synthetic, you're going to consume it. You know, that's why if you compare organic vegetables to, say, organic lettuce that is $4.95 to an iceberg lettuce, which is 99 cents, well, you can tell the difference that one is grown either hydroponically without pesticides versus the other one does have pesticides. So, um, we're going to be talking about systemic fertilization, foliar feeding, when and how, at what temperature, what lighting you can actually foliar feed, because there are pores inside the leaf itself that extract gases, intake and produce oxygen, and also they intake nutrients. The problem is that I've encountered is the foliar feed shouldn't be as quite often as you think, because then you're going to start with powdery mildew, you're going to start with leaf rot, you're going to notice more deficiency quicker because they're systemic. Foliar feeding is systemic, as well as systemic fertilization, whether organic is synthetic or inorganic. So we're going to be talking about phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen, potash. We're going to be talking different forms of fertilizer, like using ash from mesquite wood, from oak wood. We're also going to be focusing on some of the lighting myths. There's so much. There is so many opinions out there, but there is actually no study done. Yes, everybody can know their spectrum of lights, the reds, the blues, and the whites, and how they necessarily work during the growth period. Work during the growth period. So, what is the most efficient and cost efficient light instead of buying an extreme, LED $1,800 panel? So, but first, I really want to go in depth into soil amendments, fertilization, when, where, how, what stages of life, when to flush, and what to flush with. Instead of flushing with some synthetic stuff, being able to make your own flush. So easy. Lesson one will be on nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, the deficiencies, the excess, and the toxicity of them, and how to recognize them within your plants. Once again, thank you very much. This is Julio Madrigal from Smoke and Enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel, and share and like. Uh, and I'm not one to be talking out of my ass. I have a master's degree in horticulture, so I've done things for the state and other agencies. So feel free. I don't bullshit. I don't have theories. I don't have. There might be things that work for you, but when you do things the under perfection, you will never have an issue. Take care, guys.